Oh my god, it's like a dinosaur.
There's like a vein on it. Oh my god. It is like a dinosaur. Why are you blurry?
It's probably not on focus, your camera. Put it on auto.
Oh. Hey. And we're gonna have balut today.
Balut.
Oh, balut.
I don't eat this.
Really? Why?
I'm fat enough. I don't need more fat.
Fact one about balut. It's fattening.
No, because it's like for drunk people.
Fact two about balut. It's for drunk people.
Drunk people usually eat it with alcohol.
Fact three. Balut is full of cholesterol, so you can't eat it too much.
Yeah.
Salamat makan. It's actually Indonesian.
Selamat makan.
Salamat makan. It means terima kasih. So, what does this come out with? It comes out.
Hold it.
Oh my god, I'm so
It's
scared.
hot.
Oh my god, it's so hot. It's a balut, you guys. Well, I need a.
I don't know how to crack it. Because there's a sauce. There's some kind of special. I don't know how to do it. I suck.
Try.
And you remove the thing.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's like a dinosaur.
There's like a vein on it. Oh my god. It is like a dinosaur.
Look, there's the sauce. So you have to.
Is it masarap?
Look. So
Oh,
there's the
Bambi
sauce.
wants it. Vinegar and salt. Oh, that's how you eat it.
You can do it like this.
You're just like a rebel. Don't spill, Sab.
I think you put it like this. Drink all the sauce inside. Bambi likes it because he likes cholesterol.
Oh, you just go all out.
Yeah, because I already drank all the sauce.
Oh my god, there's feathers. Wait, but people...
This is how it looks like. So this is the duck.
You just tapped his head.
It's dead. We're eating it. Come on. Tastes like egg. This part.
Are you gonna eat the duck?
No.
You're not gonna eat the duck part?
It's disgusting.
Isn't that the main point of eating?
You can like eat it for me.
Put salt on it. Oh, Sam, you keep touching its head. Did you say hi to Ducky?
Rubber ducky, your duck.
Yay, yay, yay. What should we name it?
Oh, you don't name it. You're gonna eat it. I don't want to eat it. This one.
Are you gonna give it to...
Oh shit.
Oh.
That's a bitter.
Apparently you're supposed to be able to eat the whole thing.
Yeah, I don't want to eat it.
The point is, the challenge is to eat the whole thing. She's eating the feathers.
Oh my god, this is like fear factor.
Is it masa? Is it? It's not good.
It tasted good, but you can feel the feathers. This is so. I think this is the brain or something.
What is it called? The white part of the egg? Oh, apparently it's the white part of it. Oh, there's so much juice. I named my duck Steffi. Steffi.
I'm making a weird face. How is it? It's good, right?
Yeah, why does it taste like broth? It's so good. How does it taste like broth? How did they make it taste like broth?
I don't know. You have to like sip the entire thing before you like tell your subscribers.
The juice is good, but when is the juice not good? Get it? No, I'm just kidding. Oh, the juice is coming out! I'm so scared. I'm really scared. I don't know why.
It's not scary. It's dead. Just eat it. No, don't.
I'm so scared.
It's just like think of it as alcohol. Like you just chug it all in. Chug, 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 shot, 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 shot.
Just chug it?
Yeah, just chug it. You won't eat feathers by chugging that soup.
Please focus.
Focus on me. Focus on me. You know that song?
No, I don't.
Ariana Grande song. Focus on me. Focus on me. I'm big.
No focus. Yeah, yeah. Focus on me. There's no heart. Sab, I'm so scared to eat this.
No, don't be. I just ate the entire thing.
No, you didn't eat the duck, did you? Did you eat the duck?
I ate the duck! It tastes like normal egg.
Tastes
Told
like
ya.
cholesterol.
Cholesterol times 10!
What did it taste like, the duck?
Same as the broth, actually. It just looked disgusting and the textures are different.
It's crunchy.
Yeah, that's weird, right? Why is it crunchy?
Is it because of the bone?
Maybe, I don't know what the hell that is. Just eat it. Sour. That's the hard part, because it's hard.
I can't bite it. I'll give it to Bambi.
Bambi!
This is like...
She can do it.
How do you say 1, 2, 3 in Tagalog?
Isa, dalawa, tatlo.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo.
It's good. It tastes like normal egg.
It's good. If you eat it with your eyes closed. I can't look at it. I'm getting so nervous.
It's good.
It's good.
The duck, it's a duck. It's a baby duck. Duckling. How is it?
Samayam.
Masarap.
Masarap. I can't.
You're like, samayam. What is that? Masarap. But we have one more.
What should we name it? Tea baby? Tea oppa?
Bambi, if you're watching, this is for you.
We named this egg after you. Now we're gonna
baby.
eat your balls.
Eat your balls? Ew! You should
It's
dissect
good.
it.
It's good, but then like, ugh, just don't think about it. It's like mind over matter.
Use the shell.
Oh my god.
This is the soft part, right? This is good.
Oh, that's the soft part.
It's soft. It tastes like normal egg. This is the hard part.
It's edible?
But it's just hard. This is the
that's
beak.
the beak. Yeah. Oh my god, I can't believe I ate the beak.
And then
Just kidding.
that's the gut. Look at that. That's how your intestine looks like, but smaller version.
Oh my god, and that's the feathers.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
This is
Because
this is like an underdeveloped duck.